Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable your HDFC Bank debit card for online transactions using the official HDFC website. You don't need the app for this, just your browser and internet banking login. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to www.hdfcbank.com. Once you're there, click on the Login button at the top right corner and select Net Banking. Enter your customer ID and password, then click Login to access your HDFC Internet Banking account. After you've logged in, go to the Cards tab in the main menu and click on Debit Cards. From there, choose the Request or Card Controls option depending on the version of your dashboard. Next, find the option that says Modify Debit Card Limit or Set Card Controls. Here, you'll see various types of transactions like domestic, international, POS, ATM, and online. Turn on the toggle for online transactions and set the transaction limit according to your preference. Once you've made your adjustments, confirm and authorize the changes using the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. That's it! You've successfully enabled your HDFC debit card for online transactions through the website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more quick banking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.